Hey guys, quick video for you today on this Emerson 24046 made around 1918 or 1919. I have had this fan since 2022 and I've been very slowly restoring it. Had a lot of issues with paint on this fan and getting all the parts to get a good consistent finish, but I think I finally got it. Ended up using Rust-Oleum appliance epoxy for most of the surfaces. You can see here on the motor, got a really nice clean finish on that. Base isn't too bad either. I did keep the original patina on the blades. Thought that looked pretty nice against the black. This is a 110 volt DC fan. It has a bridge rectifier in the base. Right now I think I have the variac turned down to about 100, 105 volts. As typical DC fans, has really nice speed separation. This really isn't much different than it would have plugged into 120 running on the low speed. You hear a little bit of chatter from the brushes and the commutator, but it's not as bad as some DC fans I've seen. Here's medium and high. So yeah, Boogie's pretty good at high speed. So the 24046 has a couple differences with the 27046 that came after it. Has an oiler screwed onto the bottom. The 27 has a cap up top, a little bit different. Brush holders are slightly different. Back oiler is a little bit different. And the base has a kind of a rounded edge to it. So those are the main differences. It still has the round motor until you get the 2.9 series that goes to the more cylindrical design for the DC. But yeah, I just love how these early DC Emerson fans look with the round motor and all the nice exposed hardware. Really makes for an interesting fan, a good one to have here in a high visibility spot in my breakfast room in my den. Yeah, really glad to have this finished. Was not an easy project, but definitely paid off. All right, guys, thanks for watching.